For this kind of fade, I'm going to take my bald line a bit higher than the occipital bone. Then, after removing all the hair underneath, I'll follow up with my shaver. And once again, I'll take my shaver only a bit below the bald line, leaving a bit of stubble underneath it to make it easier to fade into. For the length on top, my client requested a number 4, so using the number 4 with the lever closed, I went over the whole top of his head. Then using the 1.5 with the lever closed, I went up about 2 inches. Then, without switching guards, I'll open the lever, then flick into the length that he has on the top. Then, using my thinning shears over comb, I'll blend everything together from the side to the top. Then, using my 0.5 with the lever closed, I'm going to make a 1/2 inch guideline all around his head. Then, without switching guards, I'm going to open the lever and fade in that line I just created with the 0.5. And anything that the 0.5 open doesn't completely get rid of, I'll close the lever bit by bit until I can erase that line or dark spot. And now, before I go into the bald line at the bottom, I'll go ahead and detail using my shears a bit more to get a better blend. Then using no guard with the lever closed, I'm going to go ahead and erase the bald line. And as I'm moving up, I'm opening my lever. If I have to take anything underneath, I'm closing the lever. I'll refer to that as lever playing. And oftentimes in this area, I'm doing rubbing motions rather than flicking out. And now moving on to the hairline, I'll apply some freezing spray to hold any hairs in place. Then using my wall high-vis trimmers, I'm going to go ahead and line up the front lineup. And I'm applying a bit of pressure with the trimmers. Then I'll lightly tap on his vertical bars, keeping them as natural as possible. And here I'm removing that pointy edge from his front and using my comb and trimmers to give him more of a rounder look. And now before finishing up, I'm going to go ahead and detail just a bit more. And my client does like his lineup enhanced, so I went and lightly applied some Tune 45 Onyx Black using my mini air compressor. And here are the final results. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more.